Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today we'll be talking about our proprietary water table additive, PlateGuard. The Lincoln Electric PlateGuard is designed to protect your table and the material that you're cutting from rust. And remember, PlateGuard can be used on any water table. Lincoln Electric PlateGuard is biodegradable, non-hazardous, and non-flammable. PlateGuard is created with zero volatile chemicals, nitrates, or formaldehyde, and is a great solution to keep your plasma table in top condition. The fill process is simple for all plasma cutting tables. For the Torchmate 44 and 4800, start by adding the Lincoln Electric PlateGuard to your table first. This way it will mix with the water as you fill the table to the top of the slats. For other water tables, reference your machine instructions for specific fill procedures. You'll need 5 gallons of PlateGuard for the Torchmate 4400, 10 gallons for the 4800, 30 gallons for the 5x10 Torchmate X table, and 35 gallons for the Torchmate 5100. And all other tables can use a 10-to-1 concentration ratio. That means 10 gallons of water to 1 gallon of Lincoln Electric PlateGuard. PlateGuard is available in 5-gallon jugs or 55-gallon drums. Protect your investment and the parts that you're cutting today by purchasing Lincoln Electric PlateGuard online at torchmatestore.com or give us a call at 866-571-1066.